recording it.
This is for YouTube, by the way.
I'm gonna record it anyway.
Hey guys, we're about to see some falcons. Let's get ready for this. By the way, we're not breaking the rules of the school because we're allowed to record
What was this
for
bird?
once.
A kestrel or something?
Yeah, kestrel.
This is the falcon that
Oh no, peregrine. It's a
the
peregrine.
one is on her head, which is called a hood. And it keeps, it hasn't been on for long, I just hooded her up when I got here. Okay? And it just keeps her very, very quiet. Just while I say a few words and prepare her for flight. Now, if you're travelling with other falcons or other birds of prey, or indeed anything which may upset the bird, like a dog, if you can hook the falcon quickly, the bird is not stressed out. But of course, the bird is going to be used to the hood. No point hooding the bird, because the bird is more frightened of the hood than anything else. So really what it is, the bird sees the hood as a gateway to food. And that's the motivating factor for this animal. This bird is hungry, and if she were a wild falcon, she'd be thinking about going hunting. Okay, so the hood is just is like a gateway to food. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just taking all the bits and pieces off her, which if I were to lose her, okay, she wouldn't get tangled up somewhere. So I'm going to put these two straps here, the Jessies as we call them. Put them over here at the moment.
This is going to be awesome.
Now, in the old days, back in the Middle Ages and before, if you were to fly a falcon, I would probably do it from horseback. Okay, because the flights can be 2 or 3 miles long. And obviously, I'm not going to do that today. The other thing you'd have about 30 servants standing downwind, miles downwind, because you lost your falcon, you need somebody to call it in. We don't do that these days, obviously, because we're not living in the Middle Ages. So what I'm going to do now is put a little radio tracker on her leg, little radio transmitter. Now, you lot, I can see by all these mobile phones pointing in my direction, you lot know a lot more about technology than I do. That's the very old systems. They're now using GPS systems now on the birds, so you can actually find the lost falcon by almost phoning it up. Okay, or looking on your phone and find out where exactly the bird is. So this is an older style transmitter. It goes on her leg. Okay, let's take the hood off. There we are, there she is.
There we go.
And by the way, this is a really lovely falcon. Her name is Pippa. And what I'm going to do is get her securely on the hand. I'm going to move over here slightly. First I'm going to make sure that there aren't any birds just in front of us, because she will chase. I don't want that to happen. What I'm going to do, this is what I wanted to chase. I'm going to show her now what the score is. Okay, and off she goes. She's into the air now, and now swinging her lure. And as far as she's concerned, she's now hunting. Okay. And she'll do everything she can to try and
I remember this episode of Deadly 60.
so make life a
Jasmine.
lot easier for her.
I remember this episode of Deadly 60.
And she's actually. Look out, everybody!
Right here!
Oh, you put me out there.
This is sick.
There she is. Well, hello.
Please send it to me to
Isn't that lovely?
You'll be able to see it on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I think she. Well, no, yes.
Oh, there's a seagull.
And again.
There's a seagull.
Whoa, boys.
Right. Okay, up in.
I know. My dreams. It went right over my head.
Jesus Christ.
That went right over my head. I'm scared. Well, it's nothing like a falcon talent, but here's all the goals. They're everywhere. Rung the alarm, guys. We're all excited. Ikra, Jasmine, Callum. We're all excited.
You can't put that on YouTube now. It's got my face in it.
Only for like half a second. But that's when people really go. No, when people actually go, oh my god, Callum, oh my god, he's actually in the video. Oh my god, with that.
I don't give a shit. Edit it.
Oh, it's more goals. They're everywhere.
You could get arrested for it. Yeah, you could. You could. If I didn't give you my permission, you could get arrested for it.
You just got my permission. This is sick. Da 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 da. I just do
Oh, there
the
she is. I'm going to bring her along. I'm letting her catch her breath.
Sick. Oh, that's awesome.
Clear view of that.
I know, that was awesome.
Nice one because she's nice and easy to handle. See, she's the whole time she's looking at the opposition up there, you see? Yeah.
Goals still around. Look behind us. There's goals behind us. They're everywhere. All because of this one. And that's all because of this one bird, Jasmine. Okay guys, we're going to stop this recording here. That was a peregrine falcon here at Redbridge School.
It wasn't a peregrine.
Oh no, yeah, it was a peregrine.
No,
That's not a kestrel.
Hello. It
too small.
wasn't a peregrine.
I swear it's a
Hello,
peregrine.
you. No, he said he does have a peregrine, but it's not going to be today.
I'm pretty sure. Okay, that was one of the birds then.
It was a falcon, that. Was it?
Okay.